Yeah, so there was a nice study done, British Journal of Dermatology by Dr. Felton. And what he did was ask a simple question. And that is that if you're exposed to sunlight, does it damage your DNA? And so they had basically a tanning bed type of situation, right? So they mimicked sunlight exposure in Great Britain for very fair-skinned individuals. And what they did was they did skin biopsy, got a urine sample, and measured their blood levels, 25-hydroxyvitamin D. Those that were fair-haired, right, no question, within a week, you could see DNA damage. And those that were exposed then for the period of time, I think it was several months, they could show very nicely the blood levels of 25-hydroxyvitamin D did increase. But what's most important was that when they looked at the skin biopsy for DNA damage, they didn't see accumulation. And that's a very important observation, because the Nobel Prize was given, right, for the observation of DNA repair enzymes. And when you're exposed to sunlight, you increase DNA repair enzymes. And so, yes, you initially damage your DNA, no question about it, right? But Mother Nature designed us so that you would repair those, and as a result, no long-lasting effect. And so, in my opinion, there is really minimal risk for being exposed to sensible sun exposure, but there's a lot of upside in improving your overall health and well-being.